Hey, what's up everybody? Y'all are back, man. Welcome back to the show. Hey, I got some good stuff for y'all, man. Check this out. It's the Veenax, can you see my head? Okay, I'm in the shot. The Veenax Pogo Wireless Sports Earbuds. Let's unbox these things, see what's in the package. This is actually some premium style packing, man. It's like black. Everything in black is like premium. I gotta get my head in the shot. Okay. All right, so we open this up and let me see. Oh, we got some instructions. Here we go. Now I'm a grown man, I don't need no instructions typically, but I'm just gonna thumb through these real quick just because these, yep, same stuff. All you gotta do is open the package and then let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. All right, so we have the USB, I'm gonna put everything down. We have the USB, this is micro USB right there. And then we kick that to the side and then we have some extra ear tips, looks like small and medium. These are small and medium that are in the package. Then we got a little alligator clip right there. And then we have the star of the show. But let's look at this case real quick. Inside you got the netting. That way you can put all your little accessories in there. And this is a huge case for earbuds. I don't think I've ever seen one this big. You got some Veenax embossment right there. But I really like this case for the fact that it is huge and you don't have to really, you know, roll up your headphones or nothing. You just ball them up and throw them in there and you're good to go. But let's check them out. Man, okay, sturdy build quality. I'm gonna tell you that right now just from touching them. Okay, let me get down. I want y'all to see this right here. So right there you see you got your multifunction, your play and pause button, and what is that? There's a volume up and volume down. And then on the opposite side, you have your Veenax branding right there. And also you have your little pinholes where you can see your LED, where your LED would be, and your microphone, because you can use these for calls. And then, of course, you got your charging mechanism right there, your USB micro in right there. But check this out right here. Check out the earbud itself. Y'all got to see this. Okay, so first of all, I will say that these things are pretty huge. All right, so it's got like this massive, that's right, I said massive. It's a word now, Google it. It's huge. It's a huge driver in there, and it's actually tilted toward the back side of your ear so it gets in your canal pretty good. And if you notice, it's not a circular, let me take this off. Okay, so if you notice, it's not a circular driver, it's an oblong or oval shaped driver. Let me put this back on. Now, if you will notice that I did not talk about the wings, the little wings you put inside of your ear to keep the earbud in. That's because these are built in. Check this out. So there's a little strap right here. So there's a little casing right here. It's cased in there where it says R, that's for your right ear. If you push up or down, you'll see that it's adjustable. Let me show you that. So this little ring right here is adjustable, and that's what fits into that little spot in your ear where the wingtip will go. So you don't have to worry about losing them, and it's always adjustable because some ears are just bigger than others, and sometimes your ears might shrink. Who knows what you're going through that day, right? Anyways, let's check these things out. Let's see how they really sound. So let me power them on real quick. Look for that LED. Okay, I'm gonna turn them back off because I just heard a voice prompt. Hold on. And there was a lot of talking. Let me see what that was. Okay, when you turn it off, it says, thank you for using. When you turn it on, all right, it said something about using a voice intelligent control headphone. Let me pair them up real quick. All right, the pairing process was super smooth, super easy. They just showed up in my dialogue right there, and let me make sure this is the right one. Let me put them on right. Let me put them on the right way. All right, so like I said, these little loops are adjustable. So I think this one's a little bit too large. Let me bring this down just a little bit. Nope, maybe it's too small. This is something you're gonna have to figure out for yourself. Okay. Little bit of a twist, and I think we're all sealed up. All right, now what was I listening to last? Okay, I was listening to Eric Church, Wrecking Ball. That is not something I would normally test out my bass with. I do like country. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna tell you, first off, initial impression, these get loud, super loud. I had the volume all the way up, and it wasn't even all the way up. Let me turn it all the way up, let me see. Be shaking, woo! Some boys can take it. Oh man, y'all don't know nothing about that, Eric Church. Let me find something else, let me see. And this is my workout music right here. Let me flip through here to see what I can do as far as some bass. Let me get some low end. Really clean highs. And they are loud, ear piercing. Woo! Okay, wait. Let me, all right, hold on. I gotta run through a gambit of songs before I give y'all like the real deal. So far, I love the loudness. I love the way it seals up the ear, and the highs are pristine and the bass is low. Now I'm gonna test out the mids. Let me find me a good song with a lot of range in it. Let me see. Okay, that's it. Okay, these are fantastic all-around earbuds. Everything is balanced. The volume is super loud, so if you like loud ear-piercing music, the highs in these are good, and the overall volume is good. The bass is very present, and it gets low. It actually gets low. It's actually pretty punchy, too. It's not like that, you know, sometimes when I say punchy, some of y'all might not understand what I mean by punchy. The bass just kind of hits real hard, because sometimes when you have headphones or earbuds, the bass can kind of roll off, so it takes the edge off of that initial hit of the bass. These have a lot of punch where it's not smoothed out at the peak of that bass. But I would definitely recommend these. These are nice. The build quality is sturdy. The build quality is sturdy. This wire is a force to be reckoned with, and I think they did that because, you know, this is that adjustable ear. I'm gonna call it a wing. It's an adjustable ear wing, so it has a dual purpose. The wire, anyways. And let me see. Look in the camera. It doesn't seem to be too big, but in the hand, compared to other earbuds, these are a little on the plus side as far as sound. Now, I told y'all I was gonna go back to my country playlist, man, because I want to ride out to this song right here. If y'all know anything about Kenny Rogers, my man Kenny Rogers, where is he at? Now, can y'all hear that in the microphone? I don't know if you can hear it. Oh man, that might be kind of loud. It's on the earbud. By the way they held their eyes. Oh, that's crazy. You don't miss any of the music in these earbuds. I'm hearing all the guitar strokes. Yeah, you can hear all the guitar strokes, all the instruments in there. Really good separation. All right, y'all, here we go. Y'all sing with me now. Y'all ready? You got to know when to hold up. What? Know when to fold up. Know when to walk away. Know when to run. Man, y'all don't know nothing about that. Hey, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews. But before I get out of here, y'all make sure y'all tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one. You got to know when to hold up. When to hold up. Know when to fold up. Know when to walk away. And know when